Cabinet Minister Lyngdoh commended the Voice of the People's Party VPP for its expansion into Garo Hills, asserting that political isolationism harms Meghalaya's progress. She emphasized the importance of inclusivity in politics and noted the electorate's role in evaluating party performance.
Then you talk about political divide. And political divide is not a very healthy debate to have. I, for one, would like to see that the state of Meghalaya operates as the state of Meghalaya. Any political party operating within the state of Meghalaya is authorized to do whatever it wants. If X party wants to expand its area of operation, nobody can stop it. It is illegal to stop anyone from expanding their area of operation. As far as I remember, there was a very unfortunate scenario during the MP elections which was not very healthy for the state of Meghalaya when political parties isolate themselves regionally.
Residents in Mauhati are rejoicing over funds approved for